Hello, this is Shamim. I am working as a senior web developer in Microsoft Limited. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how can we change the banner image of our home page. As you know that we have already covered how can we manage edit our top header part, and we in our last tutorial we showed you how can we play with our header. So in continuation to our last tutorial, so this tutorial I am going to show you how can we update and change our home page banner image, the big image. So as you know that any software you purchase from ICRA, the architecture and the system and method will remain same. So for our demonstration we are going to take any of our script to show you how things can be done, but it not necessarily has to be the same script. It can be the same method can be applied to any of your script purchased from ICRA. So now let us choose a template. Is a PHP Holidays default template. So in this template we will show you how can we change the banner image of your home page. So what the banner image, what we mean by banner image? Banner image is that this image, as you can see, a couple carrying their kids on their back. So this is called the banner image. So we will show you how can we change this image. So as usual, let's navigate to our file structure. So this is the file that is responsible for rendering the home page. So we will download this file to our local machine so that we can work comfortably. So we will download it. So the file location is here. For your case it is PHP Holidays, your application path, and then application, layout, script, and your theme. Your theme means how you rename your theme. In our last tutorial we showed how can we rename our theme, and I hope you all know that how can we rename our theme. So now on your theme, so we just download our phpholidays.home, but if you using any other software called Real Estate B2B, it is called script name home.phtml. So let's navigate to our home PHTML, which is again responsible for rendering the home page. It put together all blocks and all images and to render our home page. So for your case, just navigate through your application, layout, script, and your theme name. So under there is under the theme there is a file called your script name home.phtml. So by looking at the name you can understand that script name /home.phtml is the file that is responsible for rendering the home page. So on this page we will work on this div, the div id called banner. So on this the div id banner contains this banner. So as you can see, the banner, nice looking banner with the images and few words. So this image actually located on this location. It is by default it's renamed as a banner-1.jpg. So it resides under application, layout, script, and your default folder name, whatever folder name you defaulted, and then images and banner1.jpg. In the small PHP code dynamically reads your banner name, your layout name. So this is what our banner will be, and we will replace this one by our default our default one. So now we will see the size of this banner, because we need to make sure that our new banner matches the size. The size is 992 pixel by 300 pixel. So we have to make sure that our new banner should look good, and it has to be the same size. So now in our Photoshop we are setting our width as 992 pixel and height is going to be 300 pixel, so that the height and width matches with our default one. So the home page will look good and it will not break through. So look at this. I am building a banner. So the banner, my image is a little bit smaller than the default one, so I am just resizing this so that it look good and it fit with each other. It fits on the default one. So I'm just editing my image and I want to make sure that the banner size remains same and nothing breaks up. So while I am doing it, I'm just telling you that you can see the image path. The image path is application, layout, script, and there is a small PHP code that defines your layout name, the way you rename your layout, and then the image folder, and under the image folder our default banner resides. So you can keep the banner on the same location, or you can also come up with a new location and paste it on our code, div code. If you have a little knowledge in PHP or HTML, you can easily make changes on our PHTML file. So I am just building a banner here. Okay, let's assume that our image is ready. So I am now going to save this image. For our banner, so let us type something to look more professional. So I am just typing few words here. So these all are dummies and we are just trying to make it professional and to look good. So you can come up with any of your image. So this is just a dummies image I'm creating here, and I'm going to save it to my desktop, to my local machine, and now then I will go to I'm going to upload this image to the server. So now let's name it as banner2.jpg. It's under application, layout, script, name, images, and I'm going to write it as a banner2.jpg. So you will find the difference between 1 and 2. I just copy it so that I will paste it on our PHTML file saved on our PHTML file. So we just remove this one because banner 1 no longer exists. So banner2.jpg is the banner we have just created in front of you, and I am going to save this file php holidays home.phtml. For your case, your script name home.phtml. So I just save this file, uploading this file back to our server. Yes, I'm going to overwrite it, but for your case you can keep a copy backup so that if anything goes wrong you can still survive. And after uploading my PHTML file, so let's navigate into our image file, and I'm going to upload my new image called banner2. So this is the banner 1, and this is the new one that I have just created. So I'm going to upload it under your theme, image, and banner2. Now I'm refreshing this page and I would expect my new banner to appear. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. A new banner appears. My last default banner gone. So as you can see, we have changed our default banner by a new banner. So you can come up with any image you want. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we have learned how can we change the default banner and how can we add our own banner image in replace of our default image. So thank you very much for listening this tutorial. I hope it helps, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to email us. We are open round the clock to assist you as much as possible. Thank you very much.